Hi, this is Gordy Bunch, Chairman of the Woodlands Township Board of Directors, and I'm here today, March 16th, at about 1 p.m. With a community update on coronavirus. I want to convey what the township is doing in preparation and in response, and so hopefully this will be informative. As of today, the Woodlands Township has canceled all events, all permits for events that were produced by others through April. And we are continuing to monitor other township activities and facilities. Our board will be having a special meeting today at 4 p.m. To discuss other township restrictions that we can put in place, and we'll be communicating those after that meeting. But as of today, we can talk about things that our residents are concerned about. First of all, Waste Management has confirmed that our normal trash service will continue. That as of today, there is no change to those service dates. We can also confirm that the Woodlands Township has activated our Emergency Operations Center. This is the team that helps coordinate disaster relief and efforts locally. We will update you from that EOC going forward. We also had a call today with state, federal, and county agencies to discuss our local, regional, and statewide efforts. I can confirm that the testing kits that were communicated in the President's press release yesterday have arrived in Texas, and those are being distributed throughout the state. Our region is expected to get our test kits soon, and for those who are symptomatic or concerned that they are coronavirus positive, those local community testing sites will be announced as soon as we have them available. But those who currently are concerned, I do have phone numbers for you you can call. If you reside in Montgomery County, that phone number is going to be 936-523-5040. And if you are a resident of Harris County, you can call 713-634-1110. That's it for folks who are symptomatic and have concerns and want to follow the proper protocols. Harris County residents call 713-634-1110, and Montgomery County residents call 936-523-5040. Other things that we talked about today had to do with food resources. It has been confirmed our grocery stores are going to continue to restock daily. We've eliminated any restrictions to hours that they're allowed to restock. And we've also heard from the food manufacturing industry that supplies are plentiful. Everybody is asking you to be considerate, only buy what you need for the week. Please don't hoard food and stock up for a lifetime. That will benefit all if we can all get agreement around that. We heard yesterday that the CDC has expanded its restriction suggestions. Gatherings of 50 or more people. Our county has added that to their restrictions. So you're going to see events that in congregation of more than 50 people being eliminated. At the same time, the CDC recommended that school closures last for up to 8 weeks. None of our school districts have made that decision yet. There is a call with all the superintendents at 1:30 p.m. Today. We expect each of our school districts, which is Tomball ISD, Magnolia ISD, and Conroe ISD, to provide updates to the community and those students around 6 p.m. this evening. So again, at this time, the closures have not been expanded, but we should have an update around 6 p.m. When we're talking about those in need and volunteer opportunities, Interfaith and Montgomery County Food Bank are going to be in need of donations and volunteers. We are working with both organizations to get a list of specifically the items that they're recommending and needing, and we're also working on coordinating drop-off points and distribution points. As soon as we have those lists, we will provide an update to the community so you can get those items that you're able to donate. And if you're willing to volunteer, we'll also give you the protocols of how you can register to be a volunteer during this time of need. As far as other items, we did have the interagency call today. We agreed as a group that the township will receive the communications from both Montgomery County and Harris County, both counties' health districts, the state of Texas Health Administration, as well as the nonprofit volunteer organizations. We will daily create a consolidated news release and be distributing that out to the community. We appreciate all of our residents and businesses in the area. We are now recommending that you do takeout or delivery items with our local restaurants. This social distancing can make a difference, and we're asking everybody to do their part. This shall pass. We shall overcome. The Woodlands Township is in a strong financial position with reserves to absorb this type of impact. We're here to help, and we'll be making more updates as we have more information. Thank you for your time, and look forward to talking to you again soon.